Time for a quick look at some business news now. We start with a look at the main Asian indexes to get the latest figures. In early trading, Hong Kong's Hang Seng had dropped. It's still in the red, as you can see, but much less, just barely under the flat line there. Authorities arresting dozens of pro-democracy figures had led to some concern there in trading. A move by the Trump administration to further sanction Chinese companies also playing into investor sentiment. And as you can see there, the Shanghai Composite is also in the red. The Nikkei in Tokyo down 0.1%. The only one currently just above ever, scraping into the green, is the Kospi in Seoul. The World Bank Group, I've got the COVID on my mind. The World Bank Group says it expects the global economy to expand by 4% in 2021, a downgrade from its previous prediction. And even that number depends on, well, a COVID-19 vaccine rollout becoming widespread. Charlie James, it takes a look at that progress on the vaccination front in most countries and how it's threatening to compound the pandemic's economic damage.
COVID vaccinations are the key to a global economic recovery. That's the message from the World Bank, which warned Tuesday continued vaccine delays could cut the 2021 growth rate in half. The global financial institution downgraded its outlook for the global economy to 4%, 0.2 lower than previously forecast.
If things go well and we have widespread vaccine deployment in advanced economies, major emerging market developing economies, by the end of 2021, I think that these growth forecasts are going to be reasonably fair.
So far, though, the majority of countries' vaccination programs are sluggish. Europe is especially struggling to overcome a slow start. Tuesday, France's health minister promised an exponential increase.
Désormais amplifier, accélérer et simplifier notre stratégie vaccinale.
The World Bank's report said the near term remains highly uncertain. Predicting a continued rise in COVID infections could limit the year's global expansion to just 1.6%. And even in the best of cases, it says the world faces a slow and challenging recovery.